This video will show you how manager create assignment. Before we begin, let's quickly understand the difference between target and assignment in SQL Vision. Target is accountable, specific goal, like achieving 10,000 ringgit in sales by January 2025. It focuses on measurable outcomes within a clear time frame. Assignment is an uncountable task or duty, such as enhancing marketing branding, elevating branding levels, or improving overall status. It focuses on ongoing actions that contribute toward the target. With that in mind, let's jump into a story. The company gathers employees in the meeting room. As the brand consultant leader, you are in charge of collecting ideas from the team's discussion to create a new brand identity. You will use SQL Vision to ensure the brand's success. Let's see how to achieve this goal. You open SQL Vision and head to Manage Task. Clicking the plus button, you select Create New and choose Assignment. Now, you can decide your mission in the assignment. You set Brainstorm Marketing Branding Strategy. With the description, you key create the best and most creative idea to earn a reward. Next, you set the project, job and task type to the particular type by selecting from the drop-down options such as Default Project. While, if you didn't set any type for project, job and task type, SQL Vision will use the default setting, None. The None setting follows the manager's project, job and task settings that have been preset in the payroll system. Then, you set the assignment period, start date, today, end date, January 31st, 2025. SQL Vision sets the start date to today, giving everyone a fresh beginning. With everything ready, you click Next confidently. You know rewards boost motivation. This is where you set up the perfect system. For milestone and rewards, you add multiple milestones, allowing participants to earn rewards at different stages of the brainstorming process. For milestones 1, you set it 50% and write the description, identify target audience and unique selling proposition, USP. Next, you create reward conditions for this milestone, which set 150 ringgit as reward and 100 as coins. Then, you click Add for the next milestone. For milestones 2, you set it 100% and with the description, you wrote, Develop complete marketing branding strategy. For the reward, you decide to give 250 ringgit on rewards. With the coins, you wrote, 150. For consultant rewards, consultants provide guidance for a specific task without doing it themselves. Here, you assign 2 consultants for this mission and each consultant can have their own rewards. You click Add button to select 2 staff as the consultants. To create the reward conditions, you set 200 ringgit on rewards cash, then you fill 400 with the coins. You emphasize the importance of every effort and inspire purpose, building momentum and excitement as the team works toward its goals. Payout timeline cannot be ignored. It encourages motivation and strengthens trust in the reward system. Hence, let's start to set our payout structure. Under Payment by, you define the timeline. For terms, rewards will be paid 1 month after the completion of the milestone. For settlement, you fix February, April, June, August, October and December 2025 as the payout month, ensuring timely recognition of their hard work and contribution. You also decide to make it inclusive, guaranteeing payouts rewards as planned. Bonus as an additional reward to value employees' achievement. You enter the description excellent outcomes that surpass the established mission. Under amount, you enter 500 ringgit. Under coins, you enter 100. Then, you click Next for the next step. Now, it's time to rally the team. There are 2 methods to assign the participants. One of the methods is Make Quest, where you open an invitation to all the employees to actively participate themselves in these challenges and demonstrate their capabilities. You can set the maximum packs to join this assignment. Moreover, you can turn on the Join Permission setting, where employees will only be joined once approved by the manager. Not only that, you also can decide if this quest is visible to everyone, or either filter by branch, department and HR group to select the visible people. Now for this mission assignment, we will assign this assignment to each team member individually by clicking on the employee name, ensuring everyone is ready to contribute. The assignment is set. The mission is clear. The team is fired up, knowing the rewards waiting for them at the finish line. The stage is set, success is within reach. Will they claim their rewards? Time to find out.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and stay updated with our latest videos, Facebook posts, and important guides on our website.